This is a moment. Girl, sis, cousin, boo-boo. I felt like an intelligent secretary slash librarian, but I'm edgy and sexy. Like I'm the 2021 version. Hey girls, it's your girl Melissa Danielle. I'm here to do a glasses haul, eyeglasses, prescription glasses for iluvMelissaDanielle. I have my box of goodies here. I picked out about 4 pair. I let them pick out some pairs too, so I don't know what's in this box, but we're gonna try them all on and hopefully they all slay. iluvMelissaDanielle is an online website. You can go on there and you can pick out glasses. You can get them without prescription. So if you don't need glasses for seeing, you can get them without a prescription. And if you do need prescription lenses, you can put in your prescription on the website as well. I need my glasses to be able to see. So I have prescription lenses in here, and I think the ones they picked out are just regular glasses without a prescription in the lens. So yeah, we're gonna go through this box and try them all on. I think I have like 8 or 9 pairs. So yeah, we're gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna put the name of the glasses on the screen here. And of course, all the glasses will be linked down below in the description bar. So like right beneath this video, you'll see a box with information in it. You'll see the words see more. So just click on see more. It's gonna expand that box and give you all the detailed information about this video and the links to all the glasses and a discount code. So discount code I'm gonna put on the screen for you here if I have it. I'm also gonna link it down below in the description bar for you guys as well. So you get a discount code and links to all the glasses that I'm showing you in this video. Okay, let's get into this video, guys. I'm just gonna be randomly pulling out pairs. I'm not going to pick out ones in general. Oh, these are not a pair I picked out. So these are what these look like. They're like geometric cat eye, definitely different. So they're like a yellow mustard color, and then the, what do you call these? The arms are a like hunter green color. Definitely unique. iluvMe have a lot of unique glasses on their website. These are sort of cute. These are definitely different, but they're cute as well. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to feel about them. But this is what they look like. That color is everything. Everything. Oh, I see a pair I'm so excited about. Okay, so this is a pair that I personally picked out. You guys can see they always come very securely wrapped. So I'm going to list the glasses down below in the order that I'm showing them to you. So these are the next pair. You guys can see they're like rhinestone covered. And they're like a, I don't want to say it's gold. It looks more like a rose gold. Really, really cute. And they have like plastic on the arms here so it won't irritate your skin. Let's try these babies on. Oh my god. These are so cute. Can you imagine with a pink lip? Boo boo. Oh my gosh. Hopefully my camera is getting how they bling because they are just glistening and shining. This is a moment. Oh my god, they're so cute. Okay, and they're comfortable. Oh my god, I'm so excited about these. Okay, so these are not a pair I picked out. These are a pair that they picked out. These are freaking cute. They're like a leopard print. I'm trying to figure out what color this is. It looks like a purple, but I'm not sure if it's purple or not. But this is what they look like. I don't know if it's purple or brown or gray. It's sort of hard to distinguish this color. It looks more like a purple. Anyway, this is what they look like. Let's try them on. These are so cute. I love cat eye glasses. That little point right here, it does something for me, okay? These are really cute, you guys. Look at that. You sassy sis or no? Like, come on. Boo-boo. Boo-boo. So these are not prescription glasses. You can get prescription lenses, like I said. These are just clear glasses. You can see through them. Oh, these are different. So like they're like gray in the front. They remind me of Adidas's for some reason. I think because the little stripes on the side. So they look like that, and then on the back and on the sides here, it's like a marbled brown, what is it called? Tortoise shell? I don't know what you call it. Looks like that. But it's gray in front. Oh my god. I cannot with Vogue Me. Dude. These are fire. They make such a statement. If you're like me, you like statement glasses, baby, these make a statement. I love these stripe detailing. And this gray, like it's like a pearlescent gray. Girl, sis, cousin, boo. They just be slaying it. These are really comfortable. I love big frames because I have a big face, so I like to have big frames. And these are just giving me so many vibes. I don't know which ones these are. Okay, I don't think I picked these out. Did I? I think I did pick these out. It looks different. I don't recognize the tip. That's cute. Okay. These are funky. These are funky, different. So these are what these look like. Very different and unique. I saw a couple of girls wearing these and I thought they were really cute. I don't know how they're gonna look on me, but they are cute. You see that black outline? It's giving me 80s vibes. Like Run DMC kind of vibes. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. God. Baby, this is cute. Or this is I'm loving this black outline, you guys. Like it is just serving. Like it just complements the face so bomb. So it has the see-through rim on the side with like the metal beam in there. It's fire. Just fire. These are so freaking fun. They're comfortable. They fit great. The quality is good. You guys know these glasses are really sturdy. Just fire. Fire. I have 3 more pairs to look like. Okay. Okay, so these are the next pair. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has like a tortoise shell kind of different marbling color. Arms are black and the frames are black, except for on the bottom here it has like that marbling tortoise shell kind of thing going on. Then it has these gold detailing on there. It's really cute. I want to have like a basic black pair that is going to be really cute and oversized. So hopefully this is it. Oh, they are. They are, boo-boo. Like one of my ears is lower than the other one, so I have to keep like adjusting it so I don't look crazy on camera. So like, don't be judging me. Like your glasses are lopsided. Like, what do you want me to do? Like my ears are weird. Oh, I felt like an intelligent secretary / librarian, but I'm edgy and sexy. Like I'm the 2021 version. Like boo-boo, come on, boo-boo. Okay, sis. Okay, sis. Oh, I love getting these glasses. I think are cute. Like it just gives me like, I cannot. I'm loving them. I'm loving them. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so amped. I'm so sorry. Like, okay, so these are a pair that they picked out. I don't know how to feel about them. At first, I was like, ooh, but now I'm like, oh, this is sort of cute. I haven't tried them on yet, so we're gonna see. But they look like that, and they're like, there's hints of yellow, green, blue, pink in there, and then the arms look like they're black, and they are definitely oversized. And I think these are like without the lenses in them, like without the prescription lenses. Oh wow, these are huge. These remind me of that old. I don't know if you guys remember, like back in the day, they had like the old Navy commercials with this older woman in there, and she was always wearing these big old glasses. I think she used to have a dog with her. Don't quote me on that. These are massive. Like, oh my gosh, I don't know how to feel about these ones, you guys. Like, I feel like Mr. Magoo in a little bit. You know, like, oh, hold a minute. These are massive. Maybe with the right look, but I don't feel like I'm pulling these off right now. Guys, let me know down below how you feel about these because I don't know. I do not know. So we have one last pair. I think these are a pair that they picked out as well. Yes, they definitely are. This is not my style. So it has the little ball on the tip. And it is flat, so it doesn't dig into this area back here because that would give you such a freaking headache. But they're flat, and then they're black. And then on the front, they're like that racer checker flag kind of print on there. Let's see. I'm so nervous about this. Like, this is, oh my gosh. We're gonna see. Oh no, these are not it. They're not it. Like, my face is really big, so like these are more centered towards the center of my face. I need them to spread out a little bit further. And I don't know how to feel about this print. With the right outfit, yeah. But this is what these look like. I have so many pairs that I love in this haul. Like, real talk. Let me put these back on because these are just blending out of control. But I have so many pair of glasses that I love in this haul. I'm going to link everything down below in the order that they were showed to you guys. I don't know. I'm torn. I think right now, me personally, I'm torn between these two because I don't know which one's my favorite. They both are just stunners. So guys, I love you so much. Thanks for tuning in. I will catch you in the next video. So until then, stay fierce and stay fabulous. Melissa Danielle. Mwah. Bye. And then if you're still here, I do have other hauls with iluvMelissaDanielle.com. So I'm going to link a couple of the videos here on the screen for you guys so you can check out some of my previous hauls. I love their glasses. So these are the only glasses that I wear. I don't even go to the eyeglass place anymore. I just get their glasses. So I'm going to link them here. Feel free to click and watch. I will also link some down below in the description bar. All right. Bye.